Welcome to a new Voltlog. This will be just a short weekend update to let you know what I've been doing in the past couple of weeks. So I'm staying at home and only going out for the important stuff, which gave me time to think on more projects. And I really hope you are doing the same, because social distancing is a good way to keep this virus under control. One of the things I've been thinking of doing for a very long time is a bench tool holder, the kind that will hold my soldering iron tips, my tweezers, my flux syringes and other tools, because so far I've been keeping them in one of these pen jars, and these get really crowded and it's hard to find the stuff that you need inside one of these. So I started designing my own tool holder in Fusion 360. I included 6 of these dip pockets in the back, 5 syringe holders in the front, and 2 of these shallow pockets in the front as well. I went through a couple of iterations, mostly optimizing well thickness, and this is the second attempt, and as you can see I already have it filled with the tools that I use on my bench. I wouldn't say this is an ideal design because, for example, when I reach behind to grab one of these spudgers, I can touch the flux syringes in the front. So there are things that can be optimized about this. For example, in a future revision, I would maybe tilt the syringe holders 60 degrees, so that way maybe I wouldn't be touching these syringes when I go in the back pockets to grab a tool from there. But if you are interested in this particular design, I will put a link in the description below. I will upload this on Thingiverse. The next thing I did with my 3D printer is related to the ongoing pandemic. As you may know, medical staff in countries which have been hit hard by the pandemic are currently lacking the essential personal protective equipment they need. They lack masks, face shields, protective suits, and so I decided to use my 3D printer and do these face shields that I will be donating to medical workers. I'm pessimistic about the evolution of this here in Romania. I think right now we have just about 1,300 cases, and the medical staff doesn't have enough protective gear. I think this can only get worse as things progress. So I grabbed Prusa's design of a 3D printed face shield, and I started printing these frames out of PTG, and I also grabbed these PTG transparent sheets. These are 0.8 millimeters thick. They're the only ones I could find on stock, and I went to a local shop which helped me by laser cutting these. In parallel, I've been designing the battery monitoring circuit for the power drill I reviewed in Voltlog 285. Here is a quick preview of the first revision of the PCB. The circuit works as expected, but I'm just waiting for a few more parts to be delivered for the final assembly, and I think I might do another revision of this PCB just to change the mechanical outline for a better fit inside the battery pack, because as it is right now it's a bit difficult to install it inside the battery pack. I also started designing a T10 Automotive Led Bulb. It's using a linear constant current driver and some decent quality LEDs, because what I'm currently using in my car are the AliExpress bulbs, which kind of start dying after a few months of usage. I'll probably place an order for this panel today with JLC PCB, but who knows when I'll receive it. I'm not sure DHL still works at full capacity. So this is pretty much what I've been working on for the past few weeks. I hope you are all doing fine, and I would appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are working on these days staying at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new video.